know, it's pushing forward.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Look at this.
Like icicles? Yeah, it's like an icicle. See? Isn't that cool?
Oh my God, Nikki, look!
Carla, this was how it
Nikki, it's really pushing in. Michael, get away from it. It's just pushing and pushing and pushing.
I should probably pile this furniture up a little bit.
Here, put this in there. No, we should move it, Nick. I don't know, but glass table, hello? Just put it right here up against this, though. Oh, look at that.
It's going to shatter the window. Look at it, taking off the bush.
Oh, it stopped.
It's not going to stop, though.
What?
Yeah.
How is it doing this?
Because the water's moving. The lake opened up, see? So the water, when the wind is pushing, the water's pushing all this up here. Look at it. You know how long it's going to take to melt all
It
this?
sounds like a train.
Yeah. Last night it sounded like a tornado going through. When it all broke loose. Look at it. Look at that, it's a solid piece of ice.
No, but would you go get the paper out of the car so I can show Nikki? That is crazy.